Greetings, everyone. Welcome to Capricorn's message. So, Capricorn, before I turned on the camera, I got the calm before the storm. There's a warning. You know how when the emergency broadcasting system goes right before there's some type of event that's happening, some type of storm that's happening, or your TV goes makes that noise. So, or some type of, you get some type of signal before there's some type of storm that's coming, an alert. You get an alert on your phone that so your emergency broadcasting system. So special alert, emergency broadcasting system. You're getting an alert, an alarm is being alarmed of something that's coming towards you. Chaos, a storm warning. So there's a storm warning happening. There's a storm warning happening. You are getting a message of a storm warning that's coming your way. A storm that's coming, a potential storm that's coming your way. So let's see what this is for this storm warning for Capricorn. What is this storm warning for Capricorn? What is this storm warning for Capricorn? Okay, wounded warrior energy. This is a battle. This is a battle. This is a struggle. This is something that's being under attack. You're being under attack. This attack that's happening towards you or happening is some type of action. It's due to some type of action that was taken. So there may be a need for you to fight back, or something is requiring that you fight back, or it's like the calm before the storm. There's a storm that's headed your way, and you're in need, desperate need to. You're going to be in need to, well, you don't need to do anything, but Spirit is saying that you prepare yourself because there are certain hits that may come up against you, certain attacks, certain forces that's going to come up against you. You're going to be challenged. So are you up for this challenge? Are you up for this fight? Or will you turn your back towards this fight and move away from it? Will you run from the fight, or will you fight this fight head on? Is this something that you're going to attack, that you're going to take on head on? What are you going to do? What are the actions that you're going to take? You know, it's crunch time. It's time for you to decide. What are you going to do? How are you going to act? The land, it may feel as though things are barren. You know what I'm saying? Things are barren, and you're gonna be thirsty. There are gonna be all types of challenges that's coming up towards you, coming up against you. But what will you do with these challenges that come up against you? Yeah. What are you gonna do with these challenges? How are you going to handle these challenges? How are you going to deal with these challenges? How are you going to deal with these forces that's attacking you? Whew. Will you stand and fight? Or will you turn your back and run? So, are you a fighter? Or are you a runner? And a runner, they refer to as being someone who is cowardly. It's like going into battle in a military fight. You know, what are you going to do? Are you going to charge ahead, continue to fight? So there's a storm coming. We have the Three of Pentacles here. Forces, maybe there are people willing to work with you. There are people who are going to be willing to work together with you, or would like to work together with you and take a stand with you. I feel as though you may have, you will receive some type of assistance. You will receive some type of help. But there's a decision to be made. There's a decision to be made on this help. Working together. You may have worked together with something or worked together with someone, and the desired results that you wanted did not happen. So because whatever you guys were working on or working towards, it did not come to fruition. You know, you may have teamed up with these people or teamed up with someone, and the desired outcome did not happen. They may have left you standing alone to fight, to tackle a situation. They may leave you standing alone to tackle a situation by yourself. They may run from the fight. You may run from the fight. You may run from them. You may choose to not work together with them, and you may choose to run. You may choose to, again, you may choose to run. So you may choose to run and go backwards. You may choose to run and go backwards and go towards a situation, or go towards someone from your past, or go to a situation of the past. You may refuse to work together with these individuals, and you may choose to turn back and go towards something from your past. Something where you may feel a little bit more emotionally attached, something or someone that you may have felt, you may have returned to this situation because you felt as though it was more, there was more growth, and there was more growth there, more understanding, more emotions, more emotional support there. Returning to a situation that you may feel was more emotionally supportive. There may have been some a lack of communication, or the communication was foggy. The communication was not clear. There was not clear communication here. There was not clear expressions made here. So yeah, we have the Magician in reversed here. So whatever this is, it's not all that it has cracked up to be. It's not all that you wanted it to be. The situation is not all that you wanted it to be. You know, you turned your back from working on a situation and concentrating on a situation to return to something that was not what it cracked up to be. There was not, it just did not work. Something just did not work out. It was not meant to work out. It was not meant. There's a situation that was not meant to come together. It was not meant to come together. Someone was holding, you may have been holding back here. It was not meant to work out. So, wow. Moving forward here. So what does it look like moving forward, Capricorn? What does things look like moving forward for Capricorn? We have movement here. There's movement and discipline and structure happening. There's a need to bring structure to a situation. There's a need to where you don't need to do anything, but something is coming together here, moving forward. Taking some type of disciplinary action. If this is a job, there's some type of disciplinary action happening. You may receive a warning. You may receive some type of verbal warning. You may receive some type of written warning. You're going to receive a warning. You're going to receive a warning to take some type of structure and discipline, or have some type of structure and discipline for a situation. So, what is going on? There's also a need to express. Verbally express something. So, wow. What is this? Oh my gosh. Where'd the card go? Something is going to be left behind and left out in the cold. Something or someone will be left out in the cold or left behind. So another, let's see. So there could be an apology that is coming towards you. Someone wanting to apologize. There's an apology happening. Someone is feeling apologetic. They may have been feeling as though there was some type of wrong that has happened here. So someone could be waiting for or someone could be getting ready to apologize, or deciding whether or not they're going to apologize. An apology. So, wow. Anything else we need to know, Spirit? Is there anything else that Capricorn? Wow, we have big money. Someone is expecting some money too. Big money. Someone was hoping to get a lot of money from this situation, whatever this is. So, wow. They was expecting to get some type of financial gain from a situation, but they're not. Someone feels as though someone feels hurt that they didn't get any type of financial gain from a situation. Wow. So it was like someone may have lost a lot of money. Someone has lost a lot of money, lost big money. Someone took some money. And they may have apologized or maybe trying to apologize for taking the money. But it's like, okay, you done took the money. What? And apologizing for taking someone's money. You stole the money. And wanting to apologize for stealing the money. So what? Okay, yeah. Wanting to apologize for stealing the money. Because there was a lot of bad intent around this situation. There was a lot of bad intent around a situation. So these are repercussions of something, some type of action that has happened. It could have been a work situation where someone stole money at work, stole money from a work organization, from their job. Maybe somebody was stealing money, embezzling money from a job, taking money from a job, and they got disciplined. They lost their job because they stole money from it. This could be the chaos that is happening. The storm warning that's coming is because someone had malicious intent, the malice happening here, stealing money, taking money. And this is something that they have. Maybe they took the money and gave it to several individuals. Several individuals took part in this. Maybe there was a total of 6 people that took part in this stealing of the money, and it was dispersed amongst themselves. Maybe they paid for some type of services. They took the money. They took the money from the workplace, and they paid for some type of services. Because look at her in that water there. What you doing in the water? In a bathhouse or something, in a steam house or a prostitution house, and he just waving like, yeah, maybe they gave the money to, or maybe somebody paid for a prostitute, took the money from work, and they used the money to pay for a prostitute. Whatever it is, they had bad intent. The intentions was bad, for what they were doing. We have the magician in the reverse. With this magician being in the reverse, this was something that they had been doing for a while. They cooked this up. This was a scheme or something that somebody cooked up. It was a grand scheme that was cooked up with somebody. Somebody sit and they thought about what they were going to do with this money once they stole it, once they took it, and they divided amongst themselves. So and maybe they left one person here to take the blame for the situation. One person is standing here. This one person is standing here because they took the blame for the situation. They're being blamed for whatever the money that was stolen. Because they were the ones, maybe they were the ones that was in control of the money. handling the money. Now they feeling left out in the cold because they done lost their job, because they done stole this money. And child, yeah, this is it has to do with a money situation, Capricorn. So someone is stealing money, and there's disciplinary action happening. They're losing their job. Someone could be losing a job or have lost a job behind the money that was taken, embezzlement, stealing, thievery, and doing things with prostitutes and paying for, paying for services rendered by, services rendered by, anyway. That's the energy that we have, and that's the storm that is coming. That's the storm that somebody is preparing themselves for. Storm warning. Storm warning. So maybe this is a warning to someone. This is a storm. This is your message for a warning to stop stealing, or you're being watched at work if you're stealing or something like that. So yeah, remember to pay the energy forward by liking or subscribing, and until next time, Capricorn child.